Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. We're busy building the MB78 DIY kit from Namoki. We are now on step 8. Watch me install my crown. It's a very simple step. We are very close to the end of this build and I'm hoping you're getting really excited. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step. As we get set up, you'll notice that there's a piece of paper with calculations on it in the background. That's from the previous optional step, watch me resize the stem. Now, if you've used a DIY kit from Namoki, you won't need to do that step because you would have a pre-sized stem and you would start here. So you put a little blob of Loctite on a piece of paper or a piece of plastic. And then you bring your stem close and you just gently dip the end of the stem into the Loctite. This is to prevent the stem and the crown from decoupling. It's not absolutely essential, but it's something that I deem to be a quality element in a build. You really don't want them decoupling later on, but if you do this without, it can still work. So tighten this by hand, tighten it tight but not overly much. Remember, the Loctite will get it sealed in place. Then something I do now is I add a little bit of quality by bringing some Mobius watchmaker's oil. There's a link below for this. I dip my oiler into the oil and then I apply a small drop of this oil onto the thread on the crown tube. The reason I do this is so that you get a really smooth action when you fasten the crown onto the crown tube. I use that same oiler to put some oil onto the stem. Again, this isn't essential, but this helps to lubricate the keyless works and to have them functioning maybe for a little longer. Push the stem until it clicks, then push and turn so that the crown can screw onto the crown tube. That is how you install your crown.